Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add Amazon Pay to Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and from here on, we are now ready to start adding Amazon Pay into our account. In this case, we need to access our settings first. So at the bottom left here, click on settings, and from here, we need to go to payments. Now under payments, what we need to do is we need to click on add payment method section here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to search for Amazon. In this case, you could go ahead and click on search by provider here. Just type in Amazon, and you should be able to see Amazon here. But as you can see, Amazon might not appear on your available list here if your store location is not in the US. So currently, Amazon Pay is only available for stores that is located in the US. Now in this case, you need to go to store details here and make sure that your business is actually located on the United States. As you can see, mine is actually located in Australia, so that's why it's not available. In this case, you can only use this if you're in the United States, but in this case, that's how you actually search for it and start adding it into your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.